How to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account, then click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up, which is settings. In here, simply click on Account Center, then scroll down till you find Add More Accounts in Accounts section. In here, you'll find Remove option. Simply click on Remove and your Instagram and Facebook will be unlinked. This is how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.